Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This question was asked in GATE 2019. So let's see what this is saying. This is saying that consider the following C program. So we have given the C program. This is our main function in here. And we are asked that the number of times the variable sum will be printed in here, okay, in the our program. So we need to execute this and need to tell that how many times this printf function is executed, okay. So this is our stack area, and in the stack area we are going to call our main function in here, okay. So these are the float variables, sum, j and I are given in here, okay. So we have defined our sum, j and I and initialized with the given value, that is 0, 0.0, 1.0 and 2.0. Now we are going to execute our while loop with the condition I by j is greater than this number. So what is the value of I by j in here? So I by j value is 2, okay. So this condition is true, and that's why this j will be j plus j, so this value will be 2 now. So we are going to add the value of I by j in the sum. So what is the value of I by j now? 2 by 2, so that will be 1, okay. So we are going to add the value 1 in here, okay. So this value will be 1, of course 0.0, because this is a float value, and this sum will be printed in here. So, okay, so 1 will be printed. Again we are going to check the value of I by j. So what is the value of I by j now? I value is 2 by 2, that is 1, okay. So this condition is true, and that's why this j value will be changed to 4. J plus j value will be 2 plus 2, 4, and this sum value will be, we are going to add the value of I by j. So what will be that value? 2 by 4, that is 0.5. So 0.5 value will be added in here, so this value will be 1.5 now, okay. Now we are going to print the value of sum, so that value is 1.5. Again we are going to check the value of I by j. I by j value is 2 by 4, that is 0.5, okay. So this condition is true. Now we are going to add 4 plus 4, that will be 8 now. And now what we are going to do, we are going to add the I by j with this sum. So what is the value of I by j now? So now I by j value will be 0.25, okay. So this value will be added in here, okay. So this value will be added in here. So what will be the equivalent value? Equivalent value will be 1.75, okay. Now again we are going to check the value of I by j. So I by j value is 0.25, so this condition is true. And now again we are going to add the value in here. So 8 plus 8 value will be 16. And now again we are going to add the value I by j in the sum. So what will be the I by j value? That will be 125.125 will be added in the sum, okay. So value in here will be 1.875. so this 1.875 will be printed in here, and previously 1.75 was printed, okay. And after that we are going to check again, we are going to execute this. So this condition is true, I by j is greater than this value, and that's why this value of j will be updated, 16 plus 16 to 32, and now updated value of I by j will be 0.0625. so now this value will be added in here, so updated value will be 1.9375, okay. So this will be printed, and after that we are going to check the value. So this I by j value is not greater than this value, okay. So after that this while loop will be terminated and we will return. So the number of times the variable sum will be printed: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times sum is printed in here, okay. So answer is 5 in here. Thank you so much.